How to fix you need the official WhatsApp to log in problem. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, make sure that you are using the real WhatsApp from your App Store or your Play Store, and make sure that you are not using any modified version of WhatsApp, as even leftover files can cause login issues with WhatsApp. Next, you can simply go ahead and try to reinstall WhatsApp by simply deleting WhatsApp and then reinstalling it from your App Store or your Play Store. Before doing that, make sure that your chats are backed up. Now, go ahead and check if you have enabled any kind of VPN services, as VPN services may block login if unusual network activity is detected. You can then go ahead and check your internet connection and make sure that you are connected to a stable working internet connection. If not, then you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Additionally, make sure that the number that you are entering is correct and does not include any kind of unnecessary country code, and make sure that you are using correct country code. Also, if you have been temporarily blocked by WhatsApp, then you will not be able to log in, so you might simply have to wait. So these were a few ways on how you can fix you need the official WhatsApp to log in problem. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.